Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing the cast of iZombie in real life. Liv Moore is played by 30-year-old New Zealand actress Rose McIver, known for her roles in The Lovely Bones, A Christmas Prince and Once Upon a Time. Clive Babineaux is played by 36-year-old American actor Malcolm Goodwin, known for his roles in Breakout Kings, The Long Shot and American Gangster. Ravi Chakrabarti is played by 33-year-old English actor Rahul Kol, known for his roles in Supergirl, EastEnders and Holby City. Major Lily White is played by 38-year-old American actor Robert Buckley, known for his roles in One Tree Hill, Lipstick Jungle and 666 Park Avenue. Blaine De Beers is played by 38-year-old American actor and stage actor David Anders, known for his roles in The Vampire Diaries, Arrow and Heroes. Peyton Charles is played by 30-year-old American actress and singer-songwriter Alison Michalka, known for her roles in Hellcats, Easy A and Band Slam. You've made it to the end of the video. Congratulations! If you want to like and subscribe and maybe even turn on notifications, it would be much appreciated. And make sure to check out the other videos on my channel. Have a great day and I hope to see you in the future. Bye!